Uh, Woke up, now time to grind. Fiverr's calling money on my mind. Laptop open, let's go wild. Gonna build this profile with style tile. Yeah, let's pick a name, make it clean. Something boom, not user 16. Upload that pic, smile just right. Looking like a freelance every night. Fiverr flow, set it up slow. Skills on show, let the money grow. Gig by gig, build that rep. Client hit, order now a step. Fiverr vibe, we online kings. Side hustle dreams and digital bling. Click, type, now let it shine. A Fiverr profile, that gold mine. Add a gig, write the hook, make it fire. Like, come take a look. Thumbnails popping, tags on deck. SEO ready, yeah, I checked. Price is set, now hit publish. My profile's looking mighty delicious. Got reviews, not just yet, but I work so hard, they won't forget. IO clean check, neat check, tight check. Gig video, yes sir, flex that mic. Delivery fast, but don't delay. Rated 5 stars by yesterday. Let the order show. Working from home in my PJs though. Click that link, let clients know. I don't chase cash, it just flows. Fiverr Pro, I'm on that rise. From zero to hero, monetize. This my time, my freelance throne. Fiverr profile, now fully grown. Yeah, set it up, set it right. Side hustle it, Fiverr life. One gig, one win, one goal. To turn the hustle into bankroll farm.